Use programmable sarees to count the number of sarees woven. The number of sarees that the worker has woven is shown on the home page. Programmable saree sets the steps of saree weaving and the number of picks in the body file at each step. All the steps of the programmable saree are weaving completed, which means that the saree has been woven. This video shows the weaving process of a saree. After the first steps of programmable saree weaving are completed, the number of saree weaving by the worker is increased by 1. After each step of the programmable saree is completed, the worker will click the next step on the home page for a long time to switch to the next step weaving. The controller also counts the actual number of picks woven when saree weaving. After finishing the last step of the programmable sarees, when click on the next step, the total picks of the actual saree weavings will be checked. Only when the total picks of the actual saree woven matches the total picks of the programmable saree, the number of sarees woven by the worker increases by 1. When switching to the next step, if the border file of the next step is the same as the border file of the current step, the number of pick of the border file will be continuous. When switching to the next step, if the border file of the next step is different from the border file of the current step, the border file of the next step will be woven from the pick number 1. When the programmable sarees are set to have a merging function, that is, when the merging hook of body file is set to not 0, the work and stop of the border file, that is, the current pick of the border file plus 1 or keep, will be controlled by the merging hook of the body file. This progress bar shows the completion progress of the body file of the current step. After the weaving of the body file of the current step is completed, the current pick of body file will become red text, and the number of cycles of the body file will be displayed at the same time. Now is weaving the last step of programmable saree. After the last step is finished, click next step. The number of sarees weaving by the worker will increase by 1. If it is not actual weaving, just click on the next step on the home page. The number of sarees woven by the worker will not change.